Hi everyone, this is Emily with Floor by Emily Jane. Today I'm going to be making a quick video showing you how I pack my boxes for shipping. I wanted to make this video today because I get questions from both clients and other paper floors asking me how I ship my flowers and how do I ship them so that they don't get damaged along the way. So I just packaged one box, but I have a set of 12 flowers that need to be shipped securely because they're going all the way to Las Vegas. So I want to make sure that they arrive safely. So I have my box tilted so you guys can see the inside. I am in my pajamas, so don't expect me to be wearing anything fancy. So the first thing I'm going to do is just lay a couple pieces of newspaper down. It's going to be a little loud. That's just to add some cushion in there. And I don't spend a ton of money on brand new packing supplies. And that's not me just being cheap. That's me. I really try to be as eco-friendly as possible, so I like to reuse the things that I have. And I have never had a problem using the bubble wrap and the newspaper that I use, so I continue to use that, and it's been going really well. I haven't had any issues. So then I'm going to put my first flower in, which is the largest flower. And then I set the second one in there just right on top. And I'm just going to layer these depending on size. And I have a long sheet of bubble wrap that I'm going to use too. So I set that down. And then I have these that have the curves in them. I obviously want to make sure that those are all protected and they don't get smushed. So I want to make sure I have bubble wrap around that. And then I'm going to add some more newspaper along the sides. The newspaper is mostly to make sure that nothing is moving around when it's getting shipped, because that's when things get bent because they were moved out of place. So there we go. I just layer everything down as nice as I can. And I'm going to add more tissue, or more newspaper. Alright, and then I have let's see, yes. The next two flowers. Actually, I want to put the leaves down here first. Throw some business cards in there. And then I have a thank you note that I throw in there too. We just have to sign it. Throw that in there. And then I still have two more flowers, so these ones I will place on the sides. That goes in there pretty nicely. And then I put paper behind those. And then a little more on the other side. then there you go. It closes nicely and it doesn't shake a lot when you move it. And that is how I package my boxes for shipping. It may not be the prettiest, but it gets the flowers to where they need to go with the least amount of damage as possible, and I think it's a pretty efficient way to do it.